I'm playing these songs. What if we connect our brain to the computer? Now I'm just putting this cockroach in the ice water. So this is our goal from today. I'm done. Welcome to the Silicon's Brain, Neuroscience for everyone. Brain is a computer which controls our whole body by sending electrical signals to different muscles. So what if we read out these signals? What if we connect our brain to the computer? So this is our goal from today, and we will do this by a small experiment. It is just our beginning, but in the coming days we will do a lot of experiments on it. So we are going to do the experiment on the cockroach leg. We know that in a cockroach and any insect there is a complete neural networks through which they can move their legs and many other parts. So we are going to do experiment on the cockroach leg. We just want to excite the neurons in the cockroach leg. For that, we just vary voltages between the neurons of the cockroach leg. For that, I just make a small setup through which I will vary the voltages. So let me show you my setup. This is just my small setup to vary the voltages. I just get a toy mobile and I just open it and I just take two connections from right there. As you can see, I just take out these two connections and here I attach two electrodes. So I just need any source through which I can vary the voltages. Songs are nothing, they are just change of the frequency. Maybe they just give you amusement, but they are, and songs are just actually the change of frequency. So I'm just using this small setup. So in this way I just want to change the frequency of the cockroach leg. So I just insert these two electrodes in the cockroach leg. So this very small setup, you can also do this at home. Our setup is just ready, and let me find out the cockroach. So viewers, this is a cockroach. It just seems very creepy. So viewers, this is our cockroach, and we just want to cut out its leg. First we need to give this cockroach an anesthesia. So let me show you. We have this ice water. So as you can see, this is our ice water. I just dip my cockroach in the ice water so that it will goes in the anesthetic condition. So let me put the cockroach in the ice water. So viewers, as you can see, I just put the cockroach in the ice water. So after I will just put it just for a few minutes. So after that it will goes in the anesthetic condition. Now viewers, my cockroach is just in the complete anesthetic condition. So it's time to take it out and then cut out its leg. So I am just taking this cockroach out. So this is our cockroach, as you can see. So this is our cockroach. So let me cut out its leg. So here is its leg. start out the cockroach. Like here you can see I have this cockroach, like if you see this properly. So let me insert electrodes. As you can see we have these electrodes, so they just changing frequency in the cockroach leg. So let me insert these electrodes in the cockroach leg. So first we need to arrange this cockroach leg in the proper place. So here I'm just putting the electrode in that leg. So I just inserted electrodes in the cockroach leg. So let me just place the speaker on the proper place. So and now I just did everything very well. So now it's time to test that cockroach leg. So you just focus on this leg. I will just play few songs, and it is just a toy mobile. So let me play the songs and you just focus on the leg. So viewers, as you focus when I'm playing these songs, and you just focus on the movement of that leg. So as you can see, our cockroach leg is just working on that song. So actually viewers, we are just exciting the neurons, because there is a neural connection in this leg. I am just exciting the neurons by just changing the frequency between them. I just inserted 2 electrodes over there, as you can see. So I am just exciting the neurons, and as a result it just start moving. Let me play the other song. As you can see, it is just I'm just exciting these spikes, and it is just working. So let me play the other. So as you can see, so this is the whole setup which we can do. We just need any source of varying the voltages. We just need to change frequency of the current. So I think in my previous experiment I used the motor drive for that purpose. I just amplified the songs and just inserted them in the cockroach leg. And this is the second method I am using today. Is I'm just using this toy mobile, and I'm just inserting the frequency in the cockroach leg. So this is this is just our beginning to study the neuroscience. So this is our computer brain interface. So as you can see, it is just working properly. So you can also do this at your home.